how to write powerful affirmations. So, I have created a video where I talked about why your affirmations might not be working, and one of the reasons were that you might have not written your affirmation in a powerful and effective manner or the correct manner. So, in this video, I'll share with you 3 steps to write a powerful affirmation, and I'll share an example towards the end how it should look like or how it might look like. So if you're ready, let's follow all the 3 steps. Step number 1 is you have to include these 2 P's in your affirmation. Now, what are these 2 P's? The first P is use positive words in your affirmations. So, do not write any negative words in your affirmations. Try to use only positive words. And another P is present tense. So you have to write your affirmation only in present tense. It could be present continuous, that is okay, but not in the past or in the future. So you have to write as if it is already done, but in the past. That means you're living it. So that is step number 1. Now, what is step number 2? Step number 2 is you have to visualize your affirmation first. Now, how do you visualize? So, whenever we are visualizing, we are thinking about being in that moment. And when we are being in that moment, that means that is the result that we want. So, visualize, think about what you actually want at the end, the final result, and then write down that final result. I'll share an example later. Okay, so that's step 2. We have covered 2 steps so far. Step number 3. Step number 3 is I will tell you what not to do and then what to do. Do not make your affirmations boring. Now, what do I mean by boring? That you are not even interested in reading it and it looks like a punishment to you. So make your affirmations interesting by adding lot of fun elements into your affirmations. How does fun come? With feelings and emotions. So add that fun to your affirmations. How you can do that, I'll share with the example. So these are the 3 steps. First one is 2 P's, present tense and positive words. Step number 2 is visualize the final result, write that down. And step number 3 is make it fun and interesting. Now, how do you do it? With an example. For example, I want a job. Okay, so that's my intention, that I want a job, and now I have to write an affirmation for that. So how will I do that? So step number 1 was I will write, I'm so happy and grateful that I am enjoying my job. So do you see, this is present continuous. I am enjoying my job. It is happening in the present tense, and I have written the positive word. So the positive word is enjoying my job. I have not written that I am feeling upset about that I do not have a job now, or I am not talking about the lack of job or unemployment in that. So this is the difference. Now, as per step number 2, I have to visualize the end result and then write down. So whatever the job profile I'm looking out, I will be writing those roles and responsibilities. For example, I'm enjoying creating videos for my audience. So that's my job. Whatever your job is, you can write down as per your job that you are loving to do this and that, whatever that includes. Okay, and then the third step comes, which is making it interesting and fun and not boring. So how do I make it interesting and fun? So for job, I would say I am so happy and grateful now that I'm enjoying my job and loving to have a coffee with my colleagues every evening, and I love having office parties, and I enjoy sharing my knowledge with my colleagues and my juniors, and I am being appreciated by my seniors, and I am getting a lot of love and appreciation for the efforts I'm putting in. So this is how I make it interesting and also relatable to me. and also fun, so that I look forward to it and I feel that I'm already living that moment, not boring like a task. So this was an example. I can give you n number of examples, but that will make the video very lengthy. So this is the smallest video you can find to create the most powerful affirmations for any area of your life. I've given you example for career. You can do the same for your relationships, for yourself, for your health, and for your money. And in the comment section, give me a heart if you just loved this video where you learned how to create powerful affirmations, because the intention that you send with the video will come back to you 10 times more. So if you send love, you'll receive love 10 times more, and I am looking forward to your love. Thank you.